Welcome to our video guide on trading. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will walk you through everything you need to know for starting your trading journey. To start trading, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of the basics. Learn about the stock market, different investment instruments like stocks, bonds, and options, and grasp the concept of buying and selling securities. Clearly defining your trading goals is essential. Are you looking for long-term investment growth or short-term gains? Determine your risk tolerance and time horizon to align your trading strategy accordingly. Before diving into the markets, educate yourself through various resources. Read books, take online courses, and follow reputable financial news outlets. Understand technical and fundamental analysis, as they will aid in making informed trading decisions. A trading plan is crucial as it outlines your strategies, risk management approach, and entry-exit criteria. Create a plan that suits your trading style and stick to it to maintain discipline during volatile market conditions. Selecting a reliable brokerage platform can make or break your trading experience. Research different platforms, compare fees, execution speed, and available tools before making a decision. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to open a trading account. Provide the necessary details, complete the application, and deposit funds into your account. Beginners can benefit greatly from paper trading, which involves simulated trading without real money. Practice executing trades, test different strategies, and gain experience without risking your capital. Managing risk is crucial in trading. Determine your risk tolerance and establish a risk management strategy that includes setting stop-loss orders, diversifying your portfolio, and not overexposing yourself to a single trade. As a beginner, it's wise to start with small trade sizes and gradually increase as you gain experience and confidence. This approach helps you manage risk and avoid significant losses early on. Trading is an ongoing learning process. Stay updated with market news, analyze your trade performance, learn from mistakes, and adapt your strategies accordingly. The more you learn, the better you'll become as a trader. Congratulations! You've now learned the first 10 steps to start your trading journey. Remember, trading requires patience, discipline, continuous learning, and adaptability. Embrace the exciting world of trading and take control of your financial future today. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe.